everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from StampWithShar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I'm super excited you could join us today. I have a cute project to share. Now, have you guys noticed I never show you my project prior? I do that purposely because in case I decide to change it up last minute. Today's project I think you're going to enjoy. Now, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so by hitting that red subscribe button down below, or you can hit that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Don't forget to hit that little bell that pops up. That's going to notify you every time I upload a video. Now, any of the supplies that I use in today's video, you can find it down in the description below. And if you click on that, that's going to head you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started on today's project. So, this is a close-up of the project we're going to be creating. Now, this is created with a 12 by 12 sheet of designer series paper. And this one here too, 12 by 12 piece of designer series paper. This little clip is for your hair, and I got that at the dollar store for $1. And what's great is the way the box is made, it just slides in there. Now, I actually ran out of 12 by 12 Whisper white paper, so I had to improvise. So just bear with me, you guys. I'm going to show you how to create the gist of the actual basket. Okay? But again, you can decorate it however you want. So, I have a piece of 12 by 12 Whisper White. This is my last sheet I have left, so I best not make a mistake. We are going to need some layering circles. Ovals. I'm sorry. Layering ovals. And then I have a 2" by 12" strip, and that's for the handle. So, I have my Stampin' trimmer, and I'm going to use that because I'm going to cut and I'm going to score and I'm going to do everything from my Stampin' trimmer. Okay, so we need to score. We need to score this at 4 inches. And we need to score this at 8 inches. Okay, now before we turn and do anything else, we need to put a little mark at 6 inches. You're going to put a little score mark in the 6 inches. Okay, then you're going to flip your card and you are going to score it at 4 and 8 inches. 4 and 8. Now, that side that you made that tick mark at 6 inches, you're going to do that on the opposite side as well. So you're just going to make that tick mark at 6 inches. Okay? And what you're going to do now is, so this is that 4-inch line. So we got 4 and 8. We got 4 and 8. Right now, we are going to cut and we're going to stop at that horizontal score mark. Now, if you guys miss any of this, I will have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website. So don't stress. And we are going to start cutting. We are going to cut this. And again, on your Stampin' trimmer, you're going to follow your guide as well on this arm piece, okay? So we are going to cut this down to the 4-inch mark. Boom. Then we are going to pick up our blade. We're going to bring it down to this 8-inch mark down on the bottom. I hope I'm fitting the whole page in. You're going to bring your blade down to the 8-inch mark and you're going to cut from 8 and you're going to cut down. Then you're going to go over to the 2-inch mark and you're going to do the same. Stopping at 4, pick up that, and then you are going to cut from 8 down, and then you're going to move this to 3. All right, then you are going to move this down. Sorry, I'm getting stuck here. You are going to cut at 8, stopping down there at the 4-inch. And then you're going to go 9, 10, and then at 11. So what you've created now is these fringe-like pieces on each side. Okay, you can now fold and burnish all your score lines. We can set our trimmer away. What we're going to do now, I had you score a little tick mark at 6 inches on these on these opposite sides. What we're going to do now, where that 6-inch score mark is, we are going to start at that score mark, and we're going to cut at a diagonal with our paper snips. Now you can use your Stampin' trimmer, and you're just going to cut at a diagonal, and again you're going to stop at that horizontal score mark. Now I have created one of these before in the past, and I will have an iCard at the top of the screen. It is to create a smaller version as well. So you're going to have these little triangle pieces, and then all you're going to do is you're going to start gathering all these fringe-like pieces. You're just going to start gathering them. Just like so. And you want to make it so it looks nice on each side. Now, I'm not worried about the top because I can always cut that away. And you're going to pull this up. And again, it doesn't matter that this is all ugly because we're going to cover it up anyway. I just have my stapler, and I'm just going to give a little staple. Now that staple didn't work, so I'm going to have to do that again. You're going to repeat that on the opposite side. You're going to gather all your pieces to form your little basket. Just like so. And again, you're going to bring this piece up. Make sure your basket is the way you want it. And once you have it the way it should be and shaped, you're going to come in with your stapler and just give it a staple. And then if you've got any little excess hanging over pieces, you can just come with your paper snips and just cut it so you got like a straight, you know, like a straight edge if that bugs you. But we're going to cover it so you're not going to see it. I have this 2-inch by 12-inch. I'm just going to give it a little curl with my bone folder. I don't know why they call this a bone folder. I should Google that. And then you're just going to attach this on the inside. Oops. And then I have a 2-inch circle punch, and I'm just going to circle punch a piece here in the back, and that's just going to cover up any ugly. Okay, and then if for instance you had this little hair bobble bow thingy, I think that's this hair piece, this is just going to slide in. And then on the other side, you can add your little feet. Now, I did feet. You can do ears too. Yeah. Just going to attach these pieces like so. My son had his screening today for school, so I'm a little behind. And then these two are just going to attach right on our little basket. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Can't find my black, but you're going to come in with a black marker and just do these little toe pieces. Super cute, you guys. And then all you're going to do is you're going to add your little shreds. And this is quite a good size, so you can fit quite a lot of stuff in here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. We'll see you back here on Friday. Take care.